guys, video tayo ngayon. So guys, no gimbal, no problem. Malapit na mag-gabi ngayon at ito na gagawin ko ng filter kasi nga syempre yung filter is more outdoor naman so para sa mga filter yung night. Okay, this is the filter. Okay, yan kaya pasin nyo didilim yan yan. Wow, magic. So let's go.
We were able to help different employees also.
Doctor of Philosophy.
The same love and passion for the school.
So guys, so lihat yung photographer, ako yung videographer ngayon.
Masaya, medyo fountainous.
Yeah.
Hindi namin nare-receive ang invitation.
Financial advisor ng Sangla Financial. So mga malaking
of excellence. Padayon, Big Oriental Mindoro. Exciting kasi yung mga bata, yung mga natulong fountain. But ayun, buti na lang artista tayo. Yeah, medyo masaya, ang galing ni RX.
Yes.